Good Wednesday to you. We are looking at another day with mostly sunny sky, temperatures mild, and maybe even some more haze out there from some of the smoke from those wildfires out to the west. So that's something to keep in mind here as we head through the afternoon. Now, as we look ahead, you know what? Over the last couple of days, I've seen the winter outlook from various sources popping up on social media. Some of them have been the old Farmer's Almanac, some have been the Farmer's Almanac, some have been, I don't know where they're from. But nonetheless, this is actually from the Climate Prediction Center, which officially issues the climate outlooks for the United States. And this is looking at February, or I should say December, January, and February. And we are expected here in the upper Midwest, in fact, most of the northern half of the country, expected to see above average temperatures. That's because we have an El Nino developing, which is a warming of the waters in the Pacific Ocean, kind of just south of the equator there, or along the equator. And that typically influences our weather patterns. And in fact, it looks like it's going to be a stronger El Nino, which does have more of an impact on our weather. And typically when we see El Ninos, we see warmer than average temperatures in the wintertime. And across the southern portions of the United States, they see cooler than average temperatures. So looking at, again, some warmer than average temperatures here for us. As far as precipitation goes, we are looking at things to be on the equal chance at seeing above average as well as below average precipitation. So off to the south, though, where we're seeing some of the drought, especially into California and through the southern states, some above average precipitation is expected. So what does this really all mean? Well, generally speaking, temperatures this winter will be warmer than average. We have an equal chance of seeing above average precipitation as we do of seeing below average precipitation. Will there be rounds of cold and snowy weather? You bet. But this is an overall pattern that we're looking at. Overall, the entire course of the winter, temperatures will be warmer than average, and precipitation should be near normal. So that's something we're looking at here as we head into the winter months. Of course, if anything changes with El Nino, we'll talk about that here, but this is kind of what it looks like we're setting up as here as we head into the upcoming winter season. Temperatures yesterday, pretty close to average, 73 the high, 39 though the low temperature. Yesterday's record low temperature was 37 degrees, just as it is today. Today's record high is 100 degrees, set back in 1973. And the sunrise this morning at 6:43. It'll set this evening at 8:17. Looking at your weather headlines as we again see conditions continuing to improve with some hazy sunshine. The next chance of rain, though, does come in tomorrow, especially through the afternoon into the evening hours. And then warmer temperatures as we head into next week. Here's a look at the satellite and radar picture. Again, just a few fair weather clouds out there, even a little bit of patchy fog here early this morning. Otherwise, looking at the bigger picture across the upper Midwest, a few more clouds out to the west. Those slowly start to move in here, especially as we head into the overnight hours tonight. Temperatures this morning, not as cool as they were yesterday, obviously. Even some low 60s out to the west. Around here, we're seeing temperatures in the upper 40s and low 50s this morning. And it is turning a bit on the muggier side, though it's still comfortable. Last couple days, we've had those dew points in the 30s and 40s. This morning, they're in the 40s and low 50s, and that's the trend that we're actually going to see as we see our wind switching back to the south. That pushes in some moisture, and again, that'll help influence that chance for some showers and even some thunderstorms later tomorrow into tomorrow night. Here's a look at Futurecast. High pressure has been keeping our weather quiet. Now that it's off to the south, the wind switched back to the south. Low pressure will move across the Rockies overnight tonight into tomorrow and bring that chance for some showers and thunderstorms, especially into later parts of the day. And then that chance of rain will kind of linger into very early on Friday morning before we start to see some quieter conditions for the upcoming weekend. So let's take a look at things with Futurecast here a little closer. Again, a few clouds out there for us today, but better chance of seeing the clouds really increasing tonight. And that chance for some spotty showers tomorrow morning, but a better chance of seeing some showers and even a couple of thunderstorms as we head into our Thursday afternoon into the evening hours. And yes, maybe the possibility of some heavier rain showers as the rain starts to then leave early in the day on Friday. So again, another mostly sunny day today. Hazy at times, highs in the middle 70s. Tonight, partly cloudy, and it will be warmer. Lows back to around 60 degrees. 7-day forecast. Seeing highs in the low 70s tomorrow with that chance for some showers and thunderstorms that may linger into parts of early on Friday. Then warmer as we head into next week. Temperatures getting back into the middle 80s, which is almost 10 degrees above average for this time of the year. So almost about something for everyone in our extended forecast.